Hey everybody, today we're gonna be unboxing Despicable Me, the surprise figurines. So there's some new figurines in this set. There's the Hawaiian dancer, the jailbreak one, the dislike one, and a cheesy one, and there's also a robot. But which one will we get? Oh yeah, there's also a lot in the back right here. Here, can you see it? The tourist, and also another tourist, the Hula Dave Hula, the cheese hat, the jail tie, Gru in super suit, and Drew in super suit. There's also Getting Fit, 80s Evil Brat, and Clive, Lucky, Hula, Angus, Nico, Baby Gru, Baby Drew, and Gru and Drew's mom. Alright, can you guys guess which one I will get in here? Because I sure as well don't know what I'm going to get in here. Let's see, let's just open it, alright? Right here. What? Oh, no, it dropped. Oh, look at this. We got the, I think it's a travel one. Let's see which one I get. Which one do you think I got? Comment in the below and tell me which one I got. But I think, yeah, it's a tourist, Dave. Which one do you guys want? Please tell me in the comments. So maybe if I get lucky, I'll give one away. But right here we have the tourist one. Let's just open this up. Weird. This is how they open. Alright. So it fits right here, the little hole in his foot. Right there. Awesome. Right like that. And we'll add him right to the collection. Hello! Hi! Look at that! Whoa! Say hello to Goku! Oh, he fell. Let's put it right back on, right there. Hi. Hello, Jolteon. Hello, Krillin. Hi, Vaporeon. Oh, it fell again. Oh. Let's put this right back again. There we go. So that's what we got today in this Despicable Me one. Do you guys like this video? I mean, if you guys like it, I'll do more, and this is the first one, and we're gonna be collecting them. We're gonna collect all of these toys. And I think there's gonna be new ones. And next episode, I'm gonna unbox this secret mini figurine Minecraft figurines right here. Wow. Series 3. Wow. Comments below what you guys think will be in this figurine. If you comment correctly, and I guess this will be yours when I open it tomorrow. Also, for the first video, I'm going to be giving away a fidget spinner. Look at this, green and black fidget spinner. And if you do like this, if you do want this fidget spinner, please like this video and subscribe, and comment below why you want it. And I will choose one lucky winner to win this fidget spinner. And thank you guys for watching. Goodbye. Goodbye.